Thanks, Mitch. As Mitch just said, I'm Scott Ryan, the CEO and co-founder of Asankya. Asankya is an application delivery service for cloud applications, SaaS, whatever name you want it to go by, but for interactive applications over the internet. For the past 2 years, we've been working exclusively with the U.S. intelligence community, providing products and services to them, and now we've just earlier this year launched this service to be available on the internet. The way we view the cloud world is there's really 3 basic building blocks to the cloud. There's the compute and the storage and the network components. There's been a lot of time and attention focused really on how to handle compute resources, how to handle storage, but really in our view not a whole lot of time spent on the network. And that's where our time and attention has been spent with the government and what we're now turning towards the cloud. So when we say we accelerate cloud applications, we're talking about big storage applications, SaaS applications, including some of the names that you see here. What we make these applications do is operate faster for the users. We allow them to operate in a more secure manner by allowing them to maintain the security protocols they have in place. We do this with these companies by selling it as a service to them. And we sell it to whoever owns performance for an application, whether this is a SaaS company or even the corporate IT department that has their own applications. And what we've seen with this is, with companies that we worked with on the network that we've deployed today, improvements in application throughput by up to 40 times the original speed they were operating before. What we're focused on is actually a new type of market. You may have heard of companies like content delivery networks that make big websites operate faster, and their focus is really on delivering static content to broad audiences over the internet. We believe there's a new area really focused on interactive applications with content that can't be cached, still being delivered over the internet, that really requires new technology to do it. Big areas like cloud storage, which is projected to be an $18 billion market in the next 5 years, cloud applications or SaaS applications, which is projected to be in over a $70 billion market in the next 5 years. We have, at the core of what we build is a protocol that was developed at Georgia Tech that we call the Rapid Protocol. It uses multiple pathways through a network, in fact, using all the pathways that we can find to find the best way to deliver something through the network. So if you take a large file or say a large video, we break it into the small pieces and then actually deliver that over all the networks or all the pathways that we can find, doing it in such a way that when it arrives at the other end, everything arrives in order. And that's really where our patents that we filed, the 7 patents that we have filed directly as well as with Georgia Tech, really protect this technology that we've created. What the solution does then is accelerates encrypted traffic, accelerates two-way traffic, both downloads as well as uploads, and even does things like streaming traffic for video and other types of streaming applications. So the net benefit here for the end user is that before the experience of slow downloads or slow uploads becomes a very different experience once our technology in place. So it's an award-winning technology, as I say, developed at Georgia Tech, providing best-in-class delivery speeds and serving what is now the exploding cloud application and cloud computing market. And we're in the middle of raising a Series A right now. So my name again is Scott Ryan. If I haven't spoken to you already, please come by our table and I can talk to you after this presentation. Thanks.